So FFFF is 16-bit number, correct? FFFF is 16-bit number into again INNOR FF. So multiplying this 16-bit content with this 8-bit content. Let us try this. So the MUL is used for only 8-bit multiplication. We should not think that okay, only 8-bit numbers can be multiplied by using 8051 microcontroller. By using 8051 microcontroller, we can multiply 16-bit, 32-bit, even 64-bit. So cleverly, we have tried the program. That's very important. Similarly, our 32-bit processor is computing 64-bit operations, just like that, in the similar way. So FF is multiplied with FFFF means after getting this answer, what we have to do, this is in A, accumulator A, this will be in B register. So move only the accumulator content to some 23rd memory location or 22nd memory location and have this intermediate value in some register. Then perform this multiplication. Now the accumulator will have this value and the B register will have this value. So add this accumulator content with the earlierly stored content, and that result you have to send it to the data memory location 22 or something. Then we can send the B register content to another memory location. You'll get the product like this. So this is how we can perform the multi-byte multiplication. Okay, so let us try this FFFF into FF in the calculator first. FFFF is multiplied with FF. The answer is FEFF01. The answer is FEFF01. Please check. FEFF01 is the answer. The same answer we are also getting. So it is correct. But in decimal, if you see, FEFF01 is 1,67,11,425. So I think this is more than enough for us to do any computations. Whatever mini project that we do, whatever projects that we do, our computation definitely it will not exceed 1,67,11,425. The decimal or the hexadecimal value like this. I think this itself is more than enough for us. Let us write the code for this operation. Help me in not to do any mistake. FF into FF. First we will get the answer as FE01. Yes sir. No? FF into FF. First we will get the answer as FE01. So from the 20th memory location, so we have to store the content first, right? From 20th memory location and 20 and 21. 22 will be having 22nd memory location will be having the multiplicand value, right? And 20 and 22 moving the first byte, and then after multiplying, writing the product to the 23rd memory location. Please be with me. I will justify it while simulating the answer, right? So 20th memory location will be having the first FF. 21st memory location will be having the second FF. 22nd memory location having the third FF, which need to be multiplied. So the product comes from 23rd memory location. So moving the accumulator content to 23rd H and moving the B content to some other register. Why? Because the MSB is in B. If you see this screen, the MSB is in B. So this FE content, MSB is in B. So this FE content has to be moved to some register because this is the intermediate value. So this FE need to be added with this next product. Hence this has to be kept somewhere in the register. Let us say R2. The intermediate value is moved to the R2. Then again, we are moving the content of 21H, sorry, A comma 21H, 21st memory. Then moving B comma, move B comma, again 22nd only, because the content of 20 has to be multiplied with 22, content of 21 has to be multiplied with 22. Let us give some comment, right? MSB, most significant byte, is in 21st memory location. So this is least significant byte is available in 20th memory location. So whenever we are having some small confusion, you can give the comments like this for our understanding. So this is the, now if you multiply means, we will get the product. So the product is what? The product is the second FE, this row, this FE01. The product is this FE01. So here the this 01 is in accumulator, which need to be added with R2 content. So this FE is in R2. So this FE, which is in R2, need to be added with accumulator now. So let us do that addition part. Now the accumulator content must be added with add R2. Add A comma R2. Something like that we can say. And what will be in the accumulator? FF will be in accumulator because FE is added with current of FE is in R2 and the current of accumulator is 0, 1. So the current of accumulator is added with R2 means FE will be added with 1 and the answer is in accumulator, which is FF. The accumulator content need to be moved to the next memory location. How to do that? Accumulator content need to be moved to the next memory location. How to do that? MOV 24H comma A and B register content has to be moved to the 25th memory location and the program is over. So this is the result, right? If you see the result of LSB, and this should be the result of MSB1, and this will be the result of MSB2. Result of MSB2. Okay. In our case, FE FF01 should be your answer, right? FE FF01 should be your answer. So this should be FE, and this will be, it's better to put 0x. This will be FF, and the content of 23rd memory location, this must be 0, 1. 0x01. So FE FF01 should be the content of 25, 24, and 23. If we multiply that LSBS FF and with another thing which is FF and something like this, and MSB is also FF. The first FF, the MSB is also FF, and again the memory location 22 content is also FF. Something like this. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, and like this also there is a possibility for us to write a comment. When we simulate it, we'll get, let us check whether our code is correct or not. Whether let me compile and check. Is it compiling and building with 0 error? Fortunately, we have 0 error. Okay, let us check whether the program is executing correctly or not. For our input, right? Let us check the program is executing correctly or not for our input. Fine. Now we are ready to see this. What is our interest? Our interest is to store the content. 20th memory location is FF, 21st memory location is FF, 22nd memory location is FF. So 20, 21 and 22 are FF. So first we need to multiply this with this and we'll get the product. Then this with this, then we are getting the product. Let us try this, and finally our answer should be FE, FF and 0, 1. So here it is 0, 1, here it should be FF, and here it should be FE. So FE, FF and 0, 1 should be the answer. Let us check. Let us execute it and let us verify our answer whether the program is executing properly or not. Okay. So now all the screens are visible. I'm just trying my level best to make the accumulator to be visible, as well as memory content to be visible, as well as the single step execution need to be visible. More care and more focus is on this to making you to understand. Slowly I'm just doing the single step execution. Now the program counter is pointing third line, which is move A, 20H. Content of the memory location 20 is FF. So this FF will be moved to the accumulator. Yes, FF is in accumulator now. Now moving the content of the 22nd memory location. That's very important. You see, 22nd memory location. So LSB with multiplying LSB with FF. That's all. So for that, there will be this FF. So the mul AB. So multiplying this FF and FF is FE01, where the content of accumulator is 0, 1, which is moved to the 23rd memory location, which is LSB. Fine. And the MSB is an intermediate value which is available in B register, which has to be moved to the register R2. So the B content has moved to the register R2. You can see R2 register contains FE. And again, we are moving the content of 21st memory location, that is MSB to the accumulator, and again 22nd to the B register, and again the product multiplying again AB. Oh, we didn't do multiplication, right? So nobody has told me. That's what I told you, no? Sir, இந்த ரெண்டையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும் இல்லைங்க சார், மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் பண்ணாம என்ன சார் போட்டு தரீங்கன்னு எல்லாரும் நம்ம கேட்டுக்கணும் இல்லையா? சார் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனே பண்ணல இல்லைங்க, இப்போ ஆட் பண்ண என்ன பண்ணும்? சும்மா இப்போ பாருங்க, ஆட் ஏ கமா ஆர், இது கோட் தப்பு பாருங்க. இந்த இடத்துல 10th லைன்ல மல் ஏ பின்னு இன்னொரு இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் இருக்கணுமா இல்லையா? ஓகே, இப்போ ஆட் ஏ கமா ஆர், இப்போ எப்படி தப்பு நடக்குதுன்னு அது பார்க்கலாம். ஆட் ஏ கமா ஆர், R2 லைன் இருக்குது எஃப்இ, ஏ லைன் இருக்குது எஃப்எஃப், எஃப்இ பிளஸ் எஃப்எஃப் என்ன ஆகும்? எஃப்டி ஆயிடுச்சு. எஃப்டி 24க்கு வந்துருச்சு, 25th எஃப்எஃப். இப்போ எஃப்எஃப்எஃப்டி 01 அப்படிங்கிறது ராங் ஆன்சர். FFFD 01 is the wrong answer because the right answer is FEFF01. Why it is wrong? Because the program, your teacher has written a wrong program. Only AB நீங்க எழுதணுமா இல்லையா? எல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து வச்சுட்டு மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் பண்ணா மட்டுமா இல்லையா? ஸோ ஓகே, கம்பைல் பில்டுங்க, கம்பைல் பில்ட் ரீபில்ட் ஆல் 0 எரர் வந்துருச்சு. debug start stop 0 எரர் வர்றதுனால நம்ம புத்திசாலின்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லைங்க, கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் வரணுங்கிறது முக்கியமான விஷயம். 3 FF வச்சுங்களா? சரி, ரைட். now move A, 20 HFF, move B, 22 HFF, only AB FE01, and the lower order byte is going to the result, and higher order byte is going to the intermediate value, which is R2, and again bringing another FF to A, which is higher order MSB, and the to be multiplied is FF, and again the product is FE01. Now we have multiplied, right? Now the product is FE01. This has to be done. Now the accumulator current is added with R2, so we'll get accumulator as FF. So that has to be moved to the 24th memory location, and then B content will be moved to the 25th memory location. So FEFF01 is the answer. You see, 23, 24, and 25th memory location is LSB, it's MSB and MSB. So FE, FF, and 01 is the answer. You see, 25th memory location is FE, 24th memory location is FF, 23rd memory location is 01. So LSB followed by MSBs, right? So FEFF01 is the answer. That is what we have seen in the calculator also. You see, the calculator shows FEFF01. FEFF01. We got the right answer, which is 1 crore 67 lakhs 11,425. We are very happy now. We are able to do single byte multiplication. We are able to do multi-byte multiplication, but all the multiplications are only unsigned multiplication.